Autodesk and Pi to work on things. Went phenomenally well. Um, it's an amazing opportunity to be able to work with such top-notch people. There's a lot of amazing entrepreneurs in there doing amazing things that are really going to change so much in so many different categories. So it's an amazing feeling to be around these people as they're working on their stuff and kind of seeing their ideas and their thoughts and the geniusness that they have, and witnessing it firsthand. So it's really exciting. First day went really well. We were able to pick up from Goodwill a large format monitor, pretty much television set, but it has HDMI and computer capabilities. So that helped out tremendously to get that at a great price point. We also got our computer i7 system hooked up. We're still gunning for the other 3D printers, trying to figure out how we're going to do that budgetary wise over the next couple months. But we did get set up, so it's exciting, and we're going to be working our butt off there, probably 40 hours a week, and then we'll be working at home for probably another 40, so probably 80 hours a week, I'd say. If I had to make a guess on the direction that this stuff is going to go, I'd say it's going to be about 80 hours a week. That's in addition to depends on how you look at it. It's the 80 hours probably includes the airport job, because that is definitely a part of the R&D side for ADHERE. So I'd say that's like 16 hours a week. So then the rest is split up between Bake Shop and Pie Shop. And then Alderbrook is probably not a part of that. So an additional 20 hours there, so probably 100-hour work weeks when it's all said and done. But the way it's balanced and the way that it's spread out over, those 7 days of 24 hours apiece, it seems like it's going to work out. So that's good. But yeah, we're just getting ready to make the second half of November super productive on everything, positioning ourselves for December for when we move into the enclosed office space. So right now we're on a desk space, which is still phenomenally amazing to have something like that. Coming from working from closets and storage units and the trunks of cars, and everything else, like it's such a great opportunity and moment to have access to that, to have the latest and greatest tech around you and people working on great ideas around you. It kind of inspires you to keep going and fuels your fire. Great feedback from people, which is powerful, so powerful. Great mentorship opportunities, great networking opportunities, facilities unparalleled, just unparalleled. Just the bathroom alone, no joke, is like a 5-star hotel. It's nuts how nice it is. So I'm on cloud 9 right now, still pinching myself that this has happened, that ADHERE is moving on to the next level, that next step. Still a one-man show right now, but I'd say this is the right direction